Hey, what's going on, guys? So welcome back to another Python tutorial. So in the last two videos we built few cool projects with Python text-to-speech version 3 module, which basically allows us to convert any text to speech. So in the last video we built a PDF reader, or an audiobook you could say, which basically when you give the PDF, it collects all the text from the PDF, and then this module allows us to convert that to speech, and then it reads all that is in the PDF. So in this video, we're going to be discussing a couple of things that this module has, like how you can change the voice. By default, it has a male voice, how you can change that to a female voice, how you can change the rate. By default, it is kind of fast. You want to change that and make it a bit slow, or depending on your project, you may want to make it faster. You can also change the volume. By default, I guess it is 1, so you can lower the volume. It ranges from 0 to 1, and those cool stuff in this video. Not that big, but sure is fun. So without any further ado, let's start today's video. So first I have this module, this Python text to speech. So, and then I have just initialized it here, and then first we're going to check the rate. So for this, we want to write speaker dot set property, and since we're going to change the rate, I'm going to just write here rate, and let's write 180. And then we're going to need this to say a couple of lines. So let's call it hello, how is everyone? Oh shit, yeah. And let's run this. So speaker dot run, and wait, now let's run this.
Hello, how is everyone doing?
So you saw. So this is how this works, and now let's lower it down. Let's give it 100, and now let's rerun.
Hello, how is everyone doing?
So you can clearly see the difference, that the previous one was faster and this is slower. Now let's check the volume. So in place of this, you can just write here volume, and since it ranges from 0 to 1, if I write 0.2, it should be barely audible.
Hello, how is everyone doing?
So you just heard it's barely audible. So if I make it 0.9,
Hello, how is everyone doing?
so that's the difference. Now if you want to change the voice, so first we need to get something. So first let's make a voice, and this would store the speaker, the different voices that this has. So speaker dot get property, which allows us to get the properties from this module. So since we're gonna be getting the voices, we're gonna write voices, and that's all. So, and then we need to do one more thing. We need to write speaker now set property, and here we want to set voices, or voice, I guess. What was it? Voice. Yeah, voice. And then all right, voice, and then if so basically this is kind of a list, which is not a list, but you could think of it as a list. It has two items. The first one is when it has the 0 index dot id, so this would point to the male voice, and if I write here 1, this would point to the female voice. So we want to check the female one, so 1, and now let's run and let's see.
Hello, how is everyone doing?
So you just heard. So that's it for today's video. I hope this video was fun. If you just enjoyed this video, make sure to drop a like if you're new to the channel, and if you haven't subscribed, make sure to go and subscribe and turn on that notification bell so that you get updated whenever we post a new video. That's it.